Hello, everyone. This is the Crypto One YouTube channel. This is my first ever video, so I hope you get something out of this. And I'm really excited to be doing this. So this video is just a quick basics video on the bear market. Are we in a bear market? When did we get into the bear market? And what do we do? How do we thrive and really use this amazing opportunity? Because that's what bear markets are. They're just really brilliant opportunities. So we'll start off with, are we in a bear market? The answer is yes, we are in a bear market. It's obvious. Bitcoin is down 50-60% from its highs in November 2021. Ethereum is down, same again, 50-60%. Most alts are down 80-90%. Sentiment is really through the floor at the moment. This is just classic bear market. At the moment, we have a fraction of the people who were in the crypto space just a year ago. Only a fraction remain. So this is all classic bear market behavior. So this is this is where we are now. And when did we enter the bear market? Well, I'm going to show you two indicators which I think can give us a bit of an indication as to when we actually entered the bear market. So firstly, in April 2021, we set a new high of around $65,000. Then the price corrected, and then we set a new high again in November 2021. We broke through the 65K level, set a new high around 69K. For me, that 65 previous all-time high should have held as support, and the price should have continued onwards to go up to 80, 90K, whatever. And it couldn't do that. It failed to use the previous all-time high of 65K as support, and it broke down. And for me, that was the first sign that we are entering a bear market. So another indicator that many people like to use is the 10 moving average. This chart is the monthly chart on Bitcoin USD. So each candle is a month, and the 10 MA is the blue line here. As you can see, it's a pretty good indicator of when we're in bullish and bearish trends. In April, May 2020, we broke out above it and we held above it all the way up through the crazy run up until April 2021 highs. Then we had the May crash. But notice how in this May, June, July crash, the price never actually fell down below the 10 MA, indicating that we weren't in a bear market then. And it held above the 10 MA, went on to make a new all-time high, failed to hold the 65K level of support, and then broke down through the 10 MA in December 2021 or January 2022. And since then, we have been using this indicator as resistance, which indicates to me that we entered the bear market in late December 2021, early January 2022, and we've been in it since. So now we know we're in a bear market and we entered the bear market roughly 5-6 months ago. How do we use this opportunity? What is the opportunity in front of us? What can we do to take advantage of this? Well, the answer is simple, which is a good thing. And it's amazingly effective. And it is this: you buy when there is blood on the streets, as I will get to later, a quote from Baron Rothschild. And you just buy during these times and you have a multi-year time frame in mind. So what's the best time frame for Bitcoin market to have in mind when you buy during a bear market? An obvious one is we look to the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. Bitcoin 4-year cycle is a much researched topic. You'll find loads of information out there about how the Bitcoin price moves in 4-year cycles. And so if you buy Bitcoin during a bear market and have a 4-year cycle in mind, you statistically will have in the past never lost out. Anyone who bought Bitcoin and held for 4+ years has never been in a loss. They've always been in profit. So that's, there's no guarantees in investing and trading, but that's as big an assurance as you can get that if If you buy Bitcoin now during a bear market with a 4-year time frame in mind, you will do very well. As we can see on screen, people who bought Bitcoin during the 2018 bear market would have bought it around, high $3,000, $4,000 quite easily. They had plenty of time to buy it at that price. And if they had held it up to now, they would be in a gain of nearly 8x, which is amazing considering Bitcoin has lost 50 to 60% of its value in 6 months. So to think you're still up 8x if you bought 4 years ago and just held it is pretty astounding. Same with Ethereum, where the price 4 years ago was around $130. And since then, it's over 14x. And again, this is after Ethereum has lost 50 to 60% of its value. So this buying during a bear market and with a 4-year time frame in mind is very effective. Now I'm just going to get into some quick quotes. Baron Rothschild, he's a member of the Rothschild banking dynasty. He says, buy when there's blood on the streets, even if the blood is your own, which I think is perfect quote because so many of you out there are currently in the red. Your portfolios have been getting dragged down. Maybe you bought in at 48K in March, or you bought in at 60K before Christmas. And you're wondering, what do I do? My portfolio is down so much. Yeah, that's okay. That really doesn't matter. You can be down, you can be in the red, you can be feeling the pain, and you can still just keep buying and keep accumulating. There's nothing wrong with that. That's okay. Another quote from John Templeton: for those properly prepared, the bear market is not only a calamity, but an opportunity. And lastly, from Warren Buffett: someone is sitting in the shade of a tree today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. So all these quotes are around using a bear market as an opportunity, having, again, as Warren Buffett says, you plant seeds, so you have your 4-year time frame in mind, or your multi-year time frame in mind. You're planting the seeds now. That's all you have to do, and it's simple. It's not always easy, because what can happen is you buy in, your portfolio drops. You buy in, your portfolio drops. That again, month after month, it can get tiresome, but there's nothing wrong with that. That's okay. You just keep doing it. So that's a quick video just on where we are in the bear market, how long we've been in it so far. Now, just to finish off, I would like to say that bear markets are a time that's just very quiet. During a bull market, there's so much noise, people telling you need to buy this project or you need to invest in that project. There's so many people making money. You're looking around you and you're jealous because everyone else seems to be doing so well. There's just a lot of noise. In the bear market, it's quiet. There's no one here. There's no hype. So this is the time to educate yourself. You can educate yourself by reading some books that I've listed on the screen, such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Bitcoin Standard, The Tao of Capital. These are books on investing, building wealth, and why you should invest in Bitcoin in particular. You can also invest in yourself by learning how to code smart contracts, upskilling. This is the time to do it during a bear market. So that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, applaud, do whatever you want to do. And I'll see you for the next video, which will be a fun video about price speculation for what the price could potentially do in 2022.